As a Walmart or Amazon seller, you're leaving money on the table, all because you don't have a supplier relationship management system. You're missing follow-ups on price negotiations, don't have a way to track suppliers' best terms, and potentially losing deals due to poor communication management. You're going to learn how to avoid everything I just mentioned. Welcome to IntegriSupply CRM Supplier Management. What you see here is in your supplier CRM, you have your individual contacts, your companies of which you're either currently working with or would like to pursue further to land deals with. Let's start with the contacts. Here's where you log every bit of activity you've had with your contact. Let's use this for an example here. You have your number, email, company name, and everything is all linked to your contact. So the moment you upload a contact, if you tie them to a company, that company will auto-populate under your company's tab and link to that contact. So everything is unified and it communicates with each other. Here's where you upload your activity timeline, any calls you need to log, emails, or just notes or reminders. You do this all within your supplier CRM. As you can see here with this contact, you can see the related deals. You're negotiating. You last negotiated a price for an order with this contact. And here's what's unique about IntegriSupply Supplier CRM. You have the use of AI to leverage any with negotiation or just plans of how to approach a new contact from a new and then turn into an actual partnership. You can come in here and select any smart topic suggestions or come in here and list your own topic that you would like to discuss using AI. So this is going based upon your last deal pipeline associated with this contact. Let's go with opportunity analysis with this contact. As I stated, CRM AI assistant is linked to your real-time data with each contact and each company associated with the contact. Give you negotiation tips, engagement level. It's analyzing your negotiation stage and recommendations for optimization to strengthen your relationship with this contact and also increase your chances of not only landing a deal with this contact, but helping you strategize to position yourself as an actual asset to your contact. You can download these logs, you can copy them. Same thing with companies. But here, let's bring it to your deals pipeline. You can click on any of these. You can add activities. You can edit the deal. Say if you already negotiated and they already sent over an invoice to you or PO, you can turn this to 1, and that's going to then update on your analytics. This is what's unique. So everything is data driven, a enterprise level system for the everyday seller. So you can see your total deals pipeline, how many deals you've won. You can see your revenue forecast based upon the pipeline, analytics, monthly trends. So if you're qualifying a lead or a new supplier relationship and you're testing the waters with your very first quote or your very first deal opportunity, you can put it here with either lead or qualified to step 1, step 2, and you already proposed your rate back to them and you're negotiating and so forth. You can just drag and drop. It's very simple, very easy to use. So instead of manually tracking supplier relationships on a notebook or just keeping them all in an email chain, you actually have a system in place and very technically sound for you in your supplier relationships with the use of AI, to where you have a system where you can manage, strengthen, and close more deals using IntegriSupply Supplier CRM.